like it never even happened.
Richard, let me ask you.
You have got to be kidding me.
Take me through it. Well, I'm the best corner in the game. I'm the best corner in the game. I'm the best corner in the game.
All right, kids, making fun of Richard Sherman's meltdown with Erin Andrews after last weekend's game. Joining us now, legendary Notre Dame coach, our good friend Lou Holtz is with us. Lou, what was your reaction to that, interview, if you want to call it that?
Well, when I first saw it, I had great respect for Richard Sherman, what he has accomplished. Number one, he went to Stanford, which meant he had to be pretty well disciplined academically, had to have good rules and fibers, and he's one of the best quarterbacks in the country. However, he violated three basic rules I was taught very young. Rule number one, if you're any good, you won't have to tell people. If you have to tell people you're good, you are. They'll tell you when you're good. Rule number two is when you receive recognition, someone gave you the opportunity to do so. He made a great play. He saved the game. But that was because 10 other guys on the Seattle football team did what they were supposed to do. Rule number three, and I think it's important, show respect for the other people. Michael Crabtree, I felt so bad for him. He's one of the best receivers in the NFL, and he's an individual who's been injured, overcame pain. I just think that you should show respect. When I was on the sideline, I knew how much that other coach had worked, been away from his family, the sacrifices they made. Those were the thoughts that went through my mind. Yeah, I respect what you've done, but that's not right.